Robert Veach here. This is my video review of two pans from the Alva brand. This is the Alva Maestro 9.5 inch ceramic nonstick saute frying pan skillet with a lid. This is oven safe. And then I have to the left here an 11 inch ceramic nonstick crepe pan griddle skillet. Both these work with induction or gas or electric. They're both PFAS, PFOA, and PFTE free. Both these products get excellent customer ratings, and the Crepe pen carries a unique 5-year warranty, and this carries a 10-year warranty, which is really unique. So if you haven't heard about this brand before, Alva, they're new to the United States, but they were founded in Belgium in 1949, and they've been making pans for a really long time. They're founded on the principle of sustainability and quality, and it's a Belgian family business dedicated to producing world-class cookware. Now, I've tested this cookware already. I've got all different types, and I'm really impressed with the quality and the build of this. And again, they've been around since 1949, so they know how to build pans. So this is advanced non-stick technology. The way they adhere the material to the aluminum is impressive. So let's take a look at this right here. I'm going to show you, here's a magnet. You can see the magnet holds so that if you have induction, so induction will induce inside there and generate heat or gas. And typically what they do is they put these little bubbles here and these disperse the heat. And there's usually cast iron inside here on the outside, and the inside between the aluminum. And there's the beautiful non-stick pan you can see, and you can see the handle on there. Look how nice they've angled it up so that it's away from your heat source. And a lot of times pans, you've got to insert them. This came already built with the handle. I really like that. We're going to be making some Mexican food that my wife's going to make inside this pan right here. Let's take a look at the cover. Beautiful stainless steel cover with an opening there for steam, as you can see, and it seals perfectly. It's got a slightly gold tint on there in silver. Looks really beautiful. And let's look at the pan itself. You can see that it has an amazing quality. Again, sticks to the magnet, so it's going to work with your induction, your gas, and your electric. Two beautiful handles on there. You can see the non-stick right there, the ceramic, all smooth. This has been cleaned, and you want to put a little oil on it and just warm it up and wipe the oil down. That's the only prep you have to do. So we're going to give these a try. And before I continue, I forgot to mention, I want to show you how these were shipped so that you get them safe to your front door.
Hey there, Rob's wife Judy here. First I'll use the skillet to saute a little organic ground beef. We'll set that aside and saute our veg and add in some protein-rich black beans with a sprinkle of paprika and cayenne. We'll then put that mixture aside and use the same pan for making my famous Mexican rice dish. I saute some onion and jalapeno and garlic before adding in my rice, tomatoes, and chicken stock. I bring this mixture back to a boil. Then I cover the pan and allow the rice to finish cooking in the oven. I love that this pan is oven safe. After 15 minutes of baking, I then add in some fresh cilantro and a little key lime juice and let it finish baking. The rice sits covered on my counter for an additional 10 minutes. Giving me time to prep my burrito or taco wraps. I use the crepe pan to make my wraps from scratch, but tonight I'll use it to heat up store-bought wraps to save time. Yum! Let's build a burrito. I've got my delicious beef, bean, and veg filling, and I'll top it off with a few scoops of my fluffy Mexican rice. I'll then add some thin wisps of extra sharp cheddar and a little of my husband's homemade spicy salsa. So yummy, wallet-friendly, and healthy. These pans are a great investment and a great gift.
So after testing, what do I think about the Alva brand? Their Maestro 9.5 inch ceramic non-stick saute pan skillet with that beautiful lid, and the 11 inch crepe pan. These are both excellent products. I'm impressed again with this company and their products, and as you can see, they work beautiful for this Mexican dinner that my wife was preparing. And again, the warranty, 10 years and 5 years, can't beat that. I'm going to give both these pans a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.